start with chapter number 3, charts in MS Excel. Very interesting topic of MS Excel. Charts. We can insert charts with single one click. एक click से we can insert the charts and we can use them and we can format them and present them in a very interesting and many ways. There are many types of charts available in the MS Excel. ठीक है, बहुत सारे चार्ट्स अवेलेबल हैं. यू कैन इंसर्ट देम वेरी इजीली. जस्ट सेलेक्ट द टेक्स्ट, क्लिक ऑन चार्ट ऑप्शन, अ चार्ट विल बी इंसर्टेड. ऑल ऑफ यू हैड मेड ग्राफ्स ऑन द ग्राफ पेपर इन मैथमेटिक्स, राइट? आप लोग क्या करते हो? आप लाइंस लगाते हो, एक्स एक्सिस, वाई एक्सिस, एंड देन यू पुट द पॉइंट्स ओवर देयर एंड देन ड्रॉ द बार्स और यू ड्रॉ द लाइंस, जॉइन द पॉइंट्स बाय पुटिंग अ लाइन. So there are many, these types of charts can be prepared by using only one click, by using only chart option, and the chart will be inserted automatically by using the data that we had selected. And we can also chart will be automatically updated. जैसे हमारे एक्सेल में कैलकुलेशन अपडेट हो जाती है, वैसे ही आपके चार्ट्स भी अपडेट हो जाते हैं when we make some changes in the data. जब भी डाटा चेंज करेंगे, चार्ट्स will be automatically updated. Okay, so let's begin with the charts. I'm going to share my screen. As you can see, this is a chart. यहाँ पे आपको चार्ट नजर आ रहा है एक. I can increase the zoom a little bit. हाँ जी, सबको ये चार्ट नजर आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. As you can see, there are many components of chart. First of all, what is a chart? Chart is a graphical representation of the data in the form of graphical representation of the data that we had entered in the Excel worksheet. जो Excel worksheet में हमने data enter किया है, this is the graphical representation of that data. Okay. Now in the chart there are many components, many parts of the chart are there. First of all, there is a chart area. Chart area means the area in which the chart and other components of chart are included. ऐसा एरिया जिसके अंदर चार्ट और उसके चार्ट के बाकी के सारे कंपोनेंट्स इंक्लूडेड हैं, उसके अंदर हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड द चार्ट एरिया. एज यू कैन सी, दिस इज द ग्रे एरिया अराउंड द चार्ट. ये आपको ग्रे एरिया कलर का एरिया नजर आ रहा है. This is the chart area because all the components of chart are inside it. Second is your plot area. Plot area means the area inside the x-axis and y-axis. The area which is used to plot the points. This plot area, I had changed its color to blue. This is the area that you can see in blue color within the x-axis and y-axis. That is called the plot area. Okay. After that, after the plot area, we can have the x-axis and y-axis. X-axis means the category axis and y-axis means the value axis. X-axis is the horizontal axis that you can see at the bottom. आपको यहाँ bottom पे नजर आ रहा है. This is the x-axis जहाँ मेरा pointer है. This is also called the category axis and it is a horizontal axis. The second is, this is a vertical axis or the y-axis on which the points are given. This is called value axis. At the bottom, category axis, horizontal axis is the category axis, and the vertical axis is the value axis or the y-axis. Chart area, total region of the chart in which all the objects of the chart appear. Plot area in which the data is plotted, like you can see in this blue area. Data points. Data points means the points which are used to plot the values. Like I had clicked here, you can see the data points. These are the points. Like 123, this is 124. Like if I click here, this is 108. All these are the data points which we are using, the points, the values which we are using to plot the chart. चार्ट के लाइंस को या ग्राफ्स को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए जो पॉइंट्स हम यूज करेंगे, डाटा वैल्यूज हम यूज करेंगे, दे आर कॉल्ड डाटा पॉइंट्स. The points that are plotted in the chart are called data points. These are the values that we had plotted. Legends. Legends means the index. Index, the key to read the chart. Like this is the key. At the bottom you can see there is a legend. Here. Legend means a different color key.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
At all from the beginning?
Ma'am, आ रही है आवाज.
Okay.
Ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next is Legends means the series, the key combination to read the chart. जैसे आप अपने मैप्स बनाते हो, सोशल में मैप्स को मार्क करते हो, तो आप साइड में कॉर्नर में बॉक्सेस बना के बताते हो कि कौन सा सिंबल किस चीज को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. जैसे आपने एक डेजर्ट मार्क किया है या आपने सी पोर्ट मार्क किया है, तो यू गिव द डिफरेंट. आपने कोई हिल रेंजेस, माउंटेन रेंजेस अगर मार्क करी है, तो यू यूज द डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ सिंबल्स. एंड एट द बॉटम आप बॉक्स में बना के दिखाते हो कि ये सिंबल मेरा इस कलर के लिए, इस चीज के लिए यूज हुआ है. So similarly, here we are using, like, this is a different color combinations which are used in the chart. Here it defines कि कौन सा color किस series के लिए use हो रहा है to read the chart. So like this rust color is used for the series 2. This green color is used for the series 3. This brown color is used for the series 4. So we can read from the chart कि yes, brown color में जितने bars हमें नजर आ रहे हैं, they are for series 4. They represent the score for series 4. Similarly, I can read that this rust color or yellow color is used to represent the series 2. So this is the index, this is the legend. They help you to identify the various plotted data series. अलग-अलग data series को अलग-अलग colors दिए जाते हैं. Each series can be uniquely identified by assigning the unique color. हर series को अलग color देंगे and that can be defined in a legend. Legend में नीचे हम key बना के देखते हैं कि yes, this is the legend. This is used to read the chart, identify the various series. Next is category axis. Category axis, I already told you, this is the horizontal axis at the bottom, right? And these are used to
Yes.
represent the various categories. Value axis, that is the vertical axis, or you can say the y-axis, that is used to represent the various values which are used to plot the numbers or the data points in the plot area. Next is chart and axis title. एक्सिस टाइटल मींस अगर कैटेगरी एक्सिस अगर मैंने बॉटम पे दी है, एक्स एक्सिस अगर बॉटम पे है, तो उस एक्स एक्सिस पे मैं क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हूँ. लाइक हियर आई एम रिप्रेजेंटिंग द नेम्स ऑफ द प्लेयर. सो आई हैड गिवन अ कैटेगरी एक्सिस एक्सिस टाइटल एज प्लेयर. माय कैटेगरी एक्सिस, जो मेरी कैटेगरी एक्सिस है, उसका टाइटल मैंने दिया है प्लेयर. दिस इज द कैटेगरी एक्सिस, एक्सिस टाइटल. This is the vertical axis. On the y-axis, I had plotted the scores. I had given the score. So I had given the axis title as score. Okay? Is it okay? Arsha, is it clear? Audible? Okay. Score. Then there is a chart title. The title which is given to the chart. Here, I had given this chart title. I can give it here. I can type here. Series performance. So this is my chart title, the title of the chart that will describe the chart कि chart में हमने क्या represent कर रहे हैं. This is the chart title, score, y-axis title, player, x-axis title. So category axis titles and the chart title. Next is data labels. Data labels are used to identify the details of the data points in the chart. As you can see, these values are displayed on the various bars like 124, 78, 77, 89, 88. All these values are displayed. These are called the data labels. Data labels, which will represent the values which are used to identify, which are used on the data points. Various data points जो हमने mark किए हैं, उनकी values क्या हैं? If we display them, that is called the data labels. You can display any of the components and you can hide any of the components. आप इनमें से कोई भी component display करवा सकते हो, इनमें से कोई भी component hide कर सकते हो. Data series are the bars or slices that represent the data values in the chart. This is the data series like this. ये data series है. एक bar, single bar is called a data series like this. I had selected this. This is the data series. This is the data series. This 108 जो मैंने पूरी bar select करी है, this is the data series. This is the 98 वाली bar अगर मैंने select करी है, तो this is the data series. The whole bar that represents the values, it is called a data series. Okay. Okay. One जो component है आपको book में नहीं दिया हुआ है, but it is displaying in. I had displayed that component in this chart. This is grid lines. जैसे आपके ग्राफ पेपर में ग्रिड लाइंस होती हैं, सम मेजर ग्रिड लाइंस होती है जिसमें आपके अंदर अगर माइनर में देखें तो 10 पॉइंट्स होते हैं, जो छोटी छोटी लाइंस होती हैं, 0.5 अलग से काउंट होता है, देन 5 आता है, देन आपका टोटल 10 आता है, 10 के बाद जो बॉक्स बनता है वो थोड़ा डार्क कलर में होता है, तो यू कैन इजीली काउंट द बॉक्सेस टू प्लॉट द वैल्यूज, so those are called grid lines, horizontal grid lines and vertical grid lines. Two types of grid lines are there, horizontal grid lines and vertical grid lines, and these grid lines are used to plot the values on the plot area in the chart. Okay, so various components are chart area that contains the whole all the components of the chart, plot area within the x-axis and y-axis, the area where we plot the values, data points, the points that are plotted in the chart like this 124, अगर मैंने यहाँ click किया तो this is my data point. Legend, the key to describe the chart, to identify the various series of the chart. Category axis, the horizontal axis. Vertical axis, that is the y-axis or the vertical axis or value axis. Then axis titles like this player and score, the titles which are given to the various axes. Then there is a chart title at the bottom, at the top. It can be given on the any side. Then data labels, these are the values which are displayed on the bars to values that can be defined. Data series means the whole bar or the whole line that we draw, that is called the data series. Any doubt till now? Any doubt till now in the components? Yes, anybody? You can raise your hand to ask any question if you have any doubt. Okay, shall I move forward? Okay, just seeing. Yes, beta.
मैम एक्सेस टाइटल्स रिपीट कर दो.
Axis title, the titles which are given to the axis, x axis और y axis को जो हमने title दिया है, name दिया है, that is called axis title. Okay, like मैंने अभी player दिया था, x axis को player दिया है, y axis को values score दिया था, that is the title of the axis title. Okay, हाँ जी, any other query? Before studying about the various types of chart, I'm going to tell you about how to insert a chart, because it's very simple to insert the chart. Like I had inserted this. Okay, I'm going to my sheet. Here I had a data. I am having a data. ठीक है, ये मेरे पास एक डाटा है जो हमने मैच की स्कोर आपने बनाया था, आपको मैंने दिया था करने के लिए, जिसमें सीरीज परफॉर्मेंस है, डिफरेंट प्लेयर्स की स्कोर है इन द डिफरेंट मैचेस. So when I want to insert the chart, what will I do? I will select the columns on basis of which I want to create a chart. Here I am selecting the name of the players and the 5 matches score to select the to give the chart. Select the data, click on insert tab, chart option, charts group. In the charts group, you will find various types of charts are available. The simplest form is using the bar chart. Click here and insert the chart. When you click on any category, you will find the subcategories of the chart. Click here, it will insert a chart. If you want to display the bars like this, you can select this. If you want to display the bars like this, you can select this. If you want to have 3D forms, you can have this. You can have this. Like this. You can have this. The simplest format, that is a bar chart that we can insert. It will automatically insert this chart like this. I can resize it. Simple. It will represent all the score. If I suppose I change the score of first 87, मुझे ये 87, ये देखना blue वाले में देखना, blue bar में देखना क्या change आता है. I'm changing the score to 12. Press enter. The bar will automatically get shorted. The chart automatically gets updated. Okay. Suppose I'm changing the score match to 123. I'm changing it to 233. See. So this is the benefit of the chart. I can use the charts to represent the values, graphical representation. Automatically bottom page you can see the various player names, and on the left hand side vertical bar mein you can see the scores, and these are the various bars which are representing the score of a various matches. You can compare them from here. Okay, clear hai how to insert chart? Click on insert tab, click on charts group. In the charts group, select the type of chart that you want to insert and choose the subcategory, and the chart will be inserted. Okay, is it clear? हाँ जी, clear है chart कैसे insert किया हमने? Okay, now we will study about the various types of charts. What are the different types of charts available? फर्स्ट जो कैटेगरी हमने किया है दैट इज द कॉलम चार्ट, जो मैंने अभी अभी इंसर्ट किया आपके सामने. दिस इज कॉल्ड द कॉलम चार्ट. दिस इज द कॉलम चार्ट. Okay, column chart represents it is a type that shows the data changes over a period of time or define the comparison among items. Here different items, different matches की score को compare करने के लिए we are using the column chart. In this type of chart, categories are organized horizontally and values are organized vertically. As you can see, categories means the player names are displayed x-axis and y-axis पे आपके values आ रही हैं. Other than column chart, we are having a bar chart. Bar chart is just similar to this column chart. The only difference is the categories are on y-axis and जो values हैं they will come to the x-axis. यहाँ पर आपके पास सिर्फ इतना चेंज आएगा कि आपकी जो कैटेगरीज हैं वो y एक्सिस पे चली जाएंगी और जो वैल्यूज हैं वो x एक्सिस पे आ जाएंगी. दैट मीन्स आपका चार्ट जो है दैट विल बिकम वर्टिकल. आपका चार्ट चेंज हो जाता है, वर्टिकल बन जाता है लाइक दिस. आई एम शोइंग यू कि हाउ इट बिकम्स अ बार चार्ट like this. Here categories goes to the y-axis and values goes to the x-axis. So this is your bar chart. It is similar to column chart. The only difference is categories are displayed on y-axis and values are displayed on x-axis. This is another type of chart, but the rules are, but the thing is same. It is used to represent the comparison among the different values. Okay. Next is your pie chart. Pie chart is used to represent only one series of data. You can represent when you have only one series of data and you want to compare the score. Suppose I am having only one series match one. मुझे सिर्फ एक match one में बाकी सारे players की score आपस में compare करनी है. सिर्फ एक ही match में. So pie chart can be used to display the whole items. यानी total score में हर एक player का कितना contribution है. That can be represented by the pie chart. It represents only one data series. Like I shown you here, this is your pie chart. Is it visible? It is displayed in circular form. It is giving me the detail of 11 players and all the 11 players की कितनी score है. This is called pie chart. In a circular form, it represents only one data series. You can represent only one data series in a pie chart, and it helps us to display shows the parts of the whole item. कि पूरी total score में हर एक player का contribution show कर रहे हैं. Similarly, we can show this in the sales report also. कि total sales में हर एक salesman का कितना contribution है. We can represent that data also with the help of pie chart. Okay. Next is your area chart or line chart. Line chart is very easy. Line chart आपने अपने बार ग्राफ्स में बनाया भी होगा. जब आप points लगाते हो, points लगाने के बाद you put a line, you draw those points by using a line. So that becomes your line chart. I can show it, I can change it to the line chart. Suppose I'm taking it, I'm changing it to the line chart. Line chart looks like this. Line chart, it draws a line about in the different points, data points. So that means it is showing me the trend or the changes in the values over a period of time. Over a period of time, what are the changes that I can expect in the values? That is your line chart. टू रिप्रेजेंट द चेंजेस और ट्रेंड्स। आप ये भी देख सकते हो कि अगर आप एग्जांपल ले सकते हो, सपोज आप मैच देख रहे हो, आपको यूजुअली मैचेस में क्या होता है कि दो टीम्स की जो स्कोर है उसका कंपैरिजन करने के लिए आपको उस टीवी पे यूजुअली वो एक चार्ट नजर आता है जिसमें दोनों टीम्स का अलग अलग लाइंस नजर आ रही होती है, रेड और येलो में या रेड और ब्लू में। तो ये दे शो यू द ट्रेंड कि एक स्कोर का, एक टीम का स्कोर और दूसरे टीम के स्कोर को आपस में कंपेयर करने के लिए कि किस ओवर में किस टीम का स्कोर कहाँ पे था, कितना था। मोस्ट ऑफ यू हैड सीन द मैचेस, मैचेस में आपने वो लाइन चार्ट्स देखे होंगे। हैड यू सीन?
Yes, ma'am.
आपने देखे
Ma'am,
हैं?
can you repeat?
हाँ जी।
Ma'am, can you how to insert charts?
Yes, I can
Ma'am,
repeat. अभी तो मैंने सिर्फ आपको टाइप्स बता रही हूँ. I can tell you how to insert the charts. You just have to go to the insert tab and click on chart. That will
ma'am,
insert.
when I click on chart, that shows blank only.
बेटा आपने डाटा सेलेक्ट नहीं किया ना पहले, किस डाटा का चार्ट बनाना है? सेलेक्ट द डाटा फर्स्ट, कॉलम्स, वैल्यूज. ओके okay, next is your area chart. Area chart means this is the line chart. लाइन चार्ट के सिमिलर है, सिर्फ इतना फर्क है कि जितना जो ब्लैंक एरिया विद इन द लाइंस आ रहा है दैट इज फिल्ड, वो फिल हो जाता है, दैट बिकम्स योर एरिया चार्ट. आई एम शोइंग यू अगेन, आई एम गिविंग यू द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ एरिया चार्ट हियर कि हाउ इट लुक्स like this. You can see here, this is the area chart. This type of charts are called area charts. Different types of lines are there. Lines के बीच में जो gap है that is filled with the colors, different kind of colors, that is used as the area chart. And this area chart is similar to line chart. It also shows the trends on the changes or the changes over a period of time. Next is your XY scatter chart like this. जिसमें वैल्यूज आपके जो पॉइंट्स हैं, these points are displayed only, no line is done, no bar is drawn, only the points. यहाँ पे देखो आपको पॉइंट्स नजर आ रहे हैं, सिर्फ पॉइंट्स प्लॉट किए हैं, दैट इज योर XY स्कैटर चार्ट, जहां पर हमने x और y की वैल्यूज को लेके जस्ट पॉइंट्स को डिस्प्ले कर दिया है. रिलेशनशिप अमंग द न्यूमेरिक वैल्यूज इन सेवरल डाटा सीरीज as one series of x y coordinates. जो x और y के coordinates को सिर्फ पॉइंट किया है, ना कोई लाइन लगाई है, ना ही इनमें कोई बार या कोई कॉलम चार्ट ड्रॉ किया है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज योर रडार चार्ट. These are the various types of charts which you can use according to your requirement. कॉमनली जो हमें यूज होते हैं वो बार चार्ट, कॉलम चार्ट या लाइन चार्ट, जो हम एक्सेल में यूज करते हैं, या पाई चार्ट समटाइम्स वी कैन यूज. All these are the different professional charts like this. This is the radar chart. Radar chart में क्या हो रहा है कि आपके points जो हैं वो connected किए गए हैं values के in the form of a circle. आपके अलग से एक spider net की तरह अलग अलग series को represent किया गया है. You can represent this in this also. We had this chart is there. I can represent this chart also in the form of radar chart. I can change the chart type. This is the XY chart. जो आपका है, this is the radar chart. I can show it here. Same आपका जो series आ रही है, same series में जो comparison of the आपका है matches की score का, that is displayed in the form of a radar chart. Radar chart looks like this, but they are difficult to read for the normal user. They are the professional charts, which can be used by professionals to represent the data. Okay, next is your stock chart. This I can show you. Stock charts are usually used in the stock market to represent the values. So upper values, lower values, like starting value, day की start की value क्या है, top price क्या है, closing price क्या है. These are usually used in the stock markets to represent the values, to represent the changes in the values or the prices of different shares or market products. ठीक है? Stock chart. Stock chart display the market trends given by the opening price, bottom price, top price, closing price. And it can also be used for the scientific data लाइक टेम्परेचर चेंजेस, जो कंटिन्यूसली आपकी वैल्यूज चेंज हो रही है, फ्रीक्वेंटली वैल्यूज चेंज हो रही है विद द शॉर्ट रेंज ऑफ टाइम, in that type of in that kind of conditions you can use the this stock chart. Next is your column and line chart. That is a combination of line chart and column chart. जो हमने already bar chart column chart use किया है, this is a combination of that. Like this, columns जो बने हैं उनके ऊपर हमने line draw कर दी है. That is a combination of column chart and line chart. Last is your bubble chart. Bubble chart is just आपके वहां पे bubbles बने होंगे at the data points. आपके data points जहां जहां हैं वहां पर bubbles draw हुए हैं. This is your bubble chart. Bubble chart looks like this. Like this. So various points, data points, and the two series are there, like pink and green representing the two series, and the two series points are displayed in the form of bubbles. Okay? हाँ जी, clear है यहाँ तक? Is it clear to all of you? Various types of charts. हाँ जी, various types of charts. So today's task is you will read the chapter, this page number 26, components are there. You will learn the names of various components and the definitions of various components. What are the various components? Then you will learn the different types of charts, names of different types of chart, and also identify them with the help of picture. अगर आपको पिक्चर दी जाए तो आपको पता होना चाहिए ये किस टाइप ऑफ चार्ट की पिक्चर हमें शो की गई है, whether it is a bubble chart, whether it is a line chart, whether it is a bar chart, scatter chart, or area chart. So you will learn the identify the pictures and learn the various types of the charts. Clear? Okay, now who was asking about how to insert chart? Harman?
Yes, I got it.
Okay, you got it. हाँ जी, all of you will अर्शिया, जसलीन, दृष्टि, आप लोगों ने ऑलरेडी शीट्स बनाई हुई हैं, डाटा टाइप किया हुआ है.
मैम मैंने भी बनाई हुई है.
हाँ, जिन्होंने भी किया हुआ है, they can practice the charts. You can insert, you can select the data, go to the insert tab and select the chart type. It will automatically insert the chart. What are the various types of formatting that we can do the chart? What are the various changes that we can do to format the chart? That we will do tomorrow. Okay, clear it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's all for today's class. Okay, we will see tomorrow.